Hello, here's problem number 13 from the end of unit review. Says Phyllis is the manager at a television station. She has selected 4 comedies. Those are all different comedies. That's comedy number 1, comedy number 2, so forth and so on. And that's 3 different talk shows. They just happen to all be talk shows. To fill 7 half-hour daytime slots, none of the programs will be repeated during the day. So that means none of them are repeated during the day. So let's look at part A. It says, in how many different ways can Phyllis arrange the 7 programs in the first 2 time slots? Well, we have 2 different time slots, and we're looking at all 7 programs as a total of 7 programs. So if we only have 2 slots, well, we're simply going to go slot number 1, slot number 2. We have 7 different shows, 4 comedies, 3 talk shows. So we're going to choose first out of 7. Now one's gone, then we're going to choose out of 6. 7 times 6 equals 42. So all you do for part A. Okay. Part B says how many different 4 program combinations can Phyllis select from the 7 programs? We got 7 programs to choose from. Alright, it says how many different 4 program combination can she select? Well, think about it. The main thing to think about here is this a problem that order matters or order doesn't matter? What if I choose, for example, let's say if we choose C1, comedy 1, C2, what else can we choose? 4 programs. Talk show 1 and talk show 2. Okay, this is our 4 that we're choosing. What if I switch the order? Is it going to be the same group? Well, it's the same group if you switch the order. So with this particular one, this one is a combination problem because order doesn't matter. So for this particular problem, since order doesn't matter, you're going to simply do this like it's a permutation type of problem, but you're going to divide by the repeaters. So for that particular problem, it's going to be 7 to choose from times 6 times 5 times 4 divided by the repeaters, which happen to be 4 factorial, which is 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and then you just do the math calculation. Let's see, let's work this out. You can cross divide here, simplify. Let's see, can I take my 4's and divide out? That's 1. What about my 3 and the 6? Sure, you could do the 2 and the 6 too, either one, it doesn't matter. Let's look at the 3 and the 6. Let's use another color. Divide 3 goes into 3 once, 3 goes into 6 twice. Well, this is nice because the 2 and the 2 will cancel out as well. That's a 1 and that's a 1. And now you just multiply. You're going to have 7 times 5, which is 35. That's it for that one. That's part B. Part C says Phyllis will select 2 comedies and 1 talk show to fill the first 3 time slots. How many different combinations of 2 comedies and 1 talk show can Phyllis select from the 7 programs? We got 2 comedies, 1 talk show. Well, let's go back. And here, I'm going to clear this. I have 2 comedies, and I forgot already. 2 comedies, 1 talk show. 2 comedies, we'll label this comedy, talk show. Well, how many comedies do I have to choose from? With this one, I got 4 to choose from. So here we're going to have 4. 1 comedy's gone, 3. How many talk shows do you have to choose from? It's going to be just 3. So now I just multiply those. 12 times 3, which is 36. And I believe that's it for that problem.